Hi, in this video I'm going to be going over the backtest tab. As you can see, there are currently no results, so let's use the section on the left in order to run a backtest. Similar to the bots tab, you must specify a strategy, base currency, quote currency, and strategy configuration. The strategy configuration changes depending on the currently selected strategy because the parameters for each strategy are different. If you want to know more information about any particular strategy or parameter, just click the question mark and it will take you to the corresponding section on the documentation page of our website where you can learn more information. For now, let's go back to the application. So I've selected moving average as the strategy, BTC as the base currency, and Ethereum as the quote currency. Let's set the start date to the 12th, and I have some parameters in here, so let's just click run. The first thing that happens is it has to fetch the data. This may take some time depending on the range that you set, and you can always cancel if it's taking too long. After this data is fetched, it won't have to fetch it again unless you change the start date, end date, or quote currency. So our backtest is complete. This top plot shows the ticker, when the bot would have bought, and when the bot would have sold. This bottom plot has a little more data that it has the ticker. It also shows the performance, so you can see this bot ended about 5% down, which is not ideal. It also shows the short-term moving average and the long-term moving average for this moving average crossover strategy. You can also hide or show any of these plots if you're interested. So anyway, this was not an ideal strategy, so let's try changing it. Let's just up this by 100 and click run. And let's see, the results actually went down a little bit. So this might take some time if you wanted to keep changing these parameters. Fortunately, there's this range feature where you can specify a minimum, let's say 200, maximum 1000, and step size of 100. And it will rerun backtests starting with 200 to 1000, incrementing by 100. So 200, 300, 400, and so on. We can do something similar for the long size where we specify a range. Let's go 1000 to 3000, going by 100 as well, and click run. So you notice it did not have to fetch it again. It's just running the backtests. And this may take some time, again, depending on how many tests you're running. So again, you can cancel if you're not interested in the results. So you can see there's a color associated with each result. The more red it is, the worse it did. The more green, the better. And 0 is about yellow. So you can see the results over here are a little better. So once this test is done, we'll be able to click on one of these rectangles and see those plots that we saw previously. So you just have to wait, another few seconds. And there we go, it's done. So click on the square to view results. Let's look at this one, looks all right. And you can see buy, sell, and these results. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.